Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this abstract teal design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Holo Teal No Lies as my base color, and then I'm going to be adding the lines with Give Me the Teal. For the next step, I have a lid as well as a medium-sized dotting tool, and I'm going to be putting out some of the teal here and using the dotting tool to create some dashes on the nail. This design is very forgiving, but if you have any places where you really feel like you need to make a correction, you can go back in with the base color. I'm going to move on to cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I wasn't quite sure what to do with my nails, and at first I was going to do this in the opposite order with the cream as the base, but I really like the metallic as the base and the cream as the lines. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can see a little bit more of the texture contrast. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.